In this video, I'll be showing you how to generate unique account number for a student or a user. This unique account number is used for payments. For example, if a parent wants to make a payment to the school, she has to use the child's unique account number, make the payment to the child's unique account number, and the funds will be transferred automatically to the school account number. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create that unique child's account number. So what I'm going to do now is to click on classroom management, and right on my classroom management, I'm going to be picking the class and the where the student is. Going to be clicking on student, and next I'll be clicking on the student. For this lesson, I'll be working with Soye West. We'll be creating unique account number for this student. All I need to do right now is right on this button where we have create account. We're going to be clicking create account. As you can see here, an email is required. So I'm going to click on proceed, and I'll be putting in my unique digit pin. If you want to learn how to create your unique digit pin, all you need to do is to watch a video about it. We have a video already made for it, how to create your unique digit pin. So what I'm going to do now is to input my unique digit pin, and automatically my account has been created successfully. So right here we have the bank name, which is Paystack, and we have the account number, which is this, and we have the name of the account holder, which is this. So with this now, money can be sent to this account number to pay for every other thing that the child needs to pay for right on the learning space on CloudNotte. So this is very simple, reliable, and fast.